Hey everybody, it's Carl Brown from GuitarLessons365.com, and today we're going to take a look at all your melodic minor scales using 3 notes per string. So that's going to give us 7 forms once again, just like we did with our major scales. One form played off of every single note within a scale, which is a 7-note scale. And we're going to visualize all those notes on these 6 strings, so it makes it easy. So we have G minor, melodic minor is what we're going to do here, and those notes are going to be G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F sharp, and then we have the G, the root. So we're going to play every form. We're going to play the shape built off the root off that root note G, the shape built off the second off of A, the shape built off the flat third off of B, and so forth. So please download this PDF so you can follow along, just in case I go too quickly in the video. This is just to kind of show you how I finger it and play it. But the whole thing is written out for you at GuitarLessons365.com. If you go to the Lessons Archive, you should find this in the Advanced Lessons Archive, or you'll probably even see it at as a prerequisite lesson in the Jazz Guitar University course. All right, so let's get to work. The shape built from the root. We're going to start off the root note G, and we have basically this. So 3, 5, 6. Then 3, 5, 7, then 1, 2, 4 from the at the 4, 5, 7 with your first, second, and fourth finger. Then 3, 5, 7. Then shift up 2 frets. 5, 7, 8. Then 5, 6, 8. Whole thing. And then backwards, same fingerings. All right, now the shape built from the 2 will be built off of the second will be built from the second note in the scale, which is A. So we have 5, 6, 8, then 5, 7, 9, then 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 9, shift up 2 frets, 1, 2, 4, and then reach your first finger back and go 6, 8, 10. And it'd be the same fingerings down. Like I said, this may be going too fast to actually memorize the scale forms, and that's what the PDF is for. All right, so please go to the site and download that so you can follow along more easily. Then at the 6th fret off of B flat, which is the flat third, it's the third note in the G melodic minor scale is B flat, and we have 6, 8, 10, 7, 9, 10, 7, 8, 10, 7, 9, 11, shift up 1 fret to the 8, 10, 11, and then 8, 10, 12. All right. Moving on to the shape built from the 4th off of C, which is the 4th note in G melodic minor. We have 8, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, 9, 11, 12. Up to the 10th fret, 10, 11, 13, and then 10, 12, 14. Shape built from the 5th. 5th note in G melodic minor is D, so that's going to be the 10th fret here, and we have 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 14 again, then 11, 12, 14, 11, 13, 15, and then 12, 14, 15. All right, the 6th note. Now this is a 6th note. What makes melodic minor different from natural minor is if you take natural minor and compare it to a major scale, the 3rd is flatted, the 6th is flatted, and the 7th is flatted. Not necessarily flatted, but it's lowered a half step. I mean, if it was already a sharp, it'd be brought down to a natural note. But in a melodic minor scale, you make that 6th and 7th scale degree back to what it would be in a major scale. So you raise it back up to a natural, the major 6th and the major 7th scale degree. So basically, a melodic minor scale is just a major scale with a flat third. Okay? The 6th and the 7th scale degrees are the same. So that's why this E in melodic minor is the same as the E in G major. It's E natural. And then we're going to have F sharp after this. So the 6th and 7th are brought back up. So it's almost like half of a minor scale and half of a major scale. The second half being the major scale. All right? So let's get to this. This is 12, 14, 15. 12, 13, 15. 12, 14, 16. 12, 14, 15. 13, 15, 17. And then 14, 15, 17. Once again, hard to do this off the video following, so I would get the PDF if I was you. All right, and then the last one would be built off the 7th scale degree, which is F sharp. We have 14, 15, 17, 13, 15, 17, 14, 16, 17, 14, 15, 17, 15, 17, 19, and 15, 17, 18. All right, now, just like we did before, these notes are supposed to be used. You're supposed to memorize these scale forms, but then they stay the same no matter what key you're in, as long as you know your scale degrees. So the shape built off the 4th, in this case, we had to play it off of C because we want it to be G melodic minor, and C is the 4th note of G melodic minor. But if we wanted to play, say, A melodic minor, well, we'd have to play that shape built off the 4th off of D, because D is the 4th note of A melodic minor. So you just need to know your notes of each key and what scale degree they happen on, and then you can just place these forms on it and you'll always be in key in every area of the neck. All right, so please go to guitarlessons365.com and support the site. Let me know what other lessons you'd like to see, and download these materials, and I will see you there. And join the forums. I'd like to meet everybody in the forums, okay? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.